This video contains information about the alarm codes and service information stored in the electronic unit controller equipped on Emerson condensing units. If you are not familiar with the controller and have not already done so, you may first want to view the Getting Started video, which shows you how to set the low pressure cut in and cut out, available at www.emersonclimate.com/electronic unit controller. The electronic unit controller stores useful information about unit operation in the service menu. To access the service menu, press the service button, indicated with the wrench icon, and hold it for 3 seconds. When you are in the service menu, a yellow wrench indicator light will be on. This menu stores data on the number of times the compressor is started, as well as the total runtime of the compressor and fans. Use the arrow buttons to scroll through the menu, and use the Set button to select a parameter to view. Parameters are represented by a 2-letter abbreviation. For example, starts are displayed as ST. Please refer to the manual for a complete list of parameters and their abbreviations. The quantities stored in this menu are often too large to be displayed on the 3-digit display screen. Therefore, each parameter has 2 counters, a high range ending with an H and a low range ending with an L. For example, if the compressor has a total of 12,345 starts, that number would appear with a high range, or STH, of 12, and low range, or STL, of 345. When you are finished viewing the service parameters, press the Set and Up arrow buttons together to exit the menu. When the unit is running outside of normal parameters, the electronic unit controller will trigger an alarm. When an alarm is active, the red alarm indicator light in the bottom left corner will be lit and the display will flash an alarm code. Some examples of alarms you may encounter are high pressure cutout and high discharge line temperature. Reference your controller user manual for a full list of alarm codes and their meanings. Some alarms lock out the controller. Lockouts typically only occur when an alarm trips several times in a short period of time. For example, if the discharge line temperature gets too hot, the alarm DLT will be triggered. If this happens 4 times in 1 hour, the unit will be locked out with the DLL alarm code. If a lockout is triggered, it can be cleared by holding down the Restart button for 3 seconds. The display will flash RST to indicate that the lockout has been reset. You may also notice the yellow alarm history indicator light flashing directly above the red alarm indicator light. The alarm history light will continue to flash even after the unit returns to normal operating conditions to indicate that an alarm has occurred since the alarm history was last viewed. To view the alarm history, press and release the alarm history button on the top left of the electronic unit controller. This will bring you into the alarm history menu. You will now notice that the alarm history indicator light remains on and is no longer flashing. Navigate this menu the same way as all the other menus, using the Set button to view the number of times alarms have been triggered. To exit the menu, press the Set and Up arrow buttons at the same time. The electronic unit controller has several other features which may be useful in certain situations. One such feature is deadband restart. The unit is in deadband when the unit is off and the value is between the cut-in and cut-out points. When the unit is in the deadband, the compressor can be restarted by holding down the Restart button for 3 seconds. You will now notice the compressor indicator light is now on. Another feature of the controller is that the keypad can be locked. When the keypad is locked, parameters can be viewed, but they cannot be changed. To lock the keypad, press and hold both arrow buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. The display will flash POF to indicate the keypad has been locked. If you try to enter the menu to change parameters when the keypad is locked, the display will flash POF again. To unlock the keypad, press and hold both arrow buttons for 3 seconds again. The display will flash PON to indicate that the keypad has been unlocked. We hope this video has helped you to understand the benefits and functionality of the electronic unit controller. For more information, please visit www.emersonclimate.com/electronic unit controller.